Hello! Last time we saw, from student perspective, how they are enrolled to a class and what kind of system greets them. And this time we will look how students could communicate about their group projects in a secure and unified environment. For this purpose, we have an app called 3D Swim, where you can have a community, and inside the community you can create posts, discuss about projects, create polls, surveys and much more. In this case, our student is having a brainstorm and will ask the CAD 1 Group A 2026 if it will be possible to have a group project instead of individual project. How it differs from a classical email chain is that the teacher or professor is also part of your community and can see and interact with students, meaning you start practicing single source of truth concept early in your engineering journey. Now you know how to communicate in a common group environment.